What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to Ken's How To's and Reviews. Today I'm going to do a short, quick, and to the point video on how to fix your higher end KitchenAid dishwasher door spring. So one problem with a lot of dishwashers is there is a spring that allows the door to basically stay in place. So if you ever had a spring break on a dishwasher, once you open this door falls with all the weight to the ground, and that can be extremely painful for your toes or whoever's under this door. And some common problems that people run into with the dishwasher door is this door gets laid down, the spring gets worn out, and then if you pull out the bottom rack, it puts pressure on this door. And the spring wears out or the spring breaks, and then you have a problem. So this is one of the KitchenAid, the only thing I can think to call it is it's just one of the higher end models. It has a stainless steel finish that doesn't do fingerprints or anything like that, but that's besides the point. But the first thing you need to do is find your owner's manual. And a lot of the owner's manuals for these dishwashers have multiple models within the same pamphlet. So you can't really, if you have model 1, 2, or 3, it tells you how to fix it based on that. So really what I did is I threw the manual away because it was pretty useless. And what I'll do is I'll just show you how I fixed the spring. So what happened was our daughter, I had this down. She steps on this, it pops the spring off, and this door just kind of really did not float anymore. It just came straight down. So what I did was I took the bolts that secured this into the counter, took those off first. It's always good to turn the power off, flip the breaker when you're working on this type of stuff. So what I did next is actually pull this out. You can see some of the foam. This is KitchenAid. This is one of their models that they boast is one of the more quiet models, which is extremely quiet. But here is the door spring. So I went ahead and fixed this. So it is already fixed, but here's where you find it on the side, and it's only on the right side. And I'll zoom in so you can see, but this spring comes down and attaches to this little hook right here. And what had happened was this thing popped out of there. It allowed the spring to go up and this door to just kind of not float anymore. It just came straight down. So you can see how that mechanism works there. But all I did was close the door. It allowed this to come back up. I just looped it right around the spring, back again, and it was fixed. So yeah, not too difficult. If you have a different model dishwasher, maybe a Bosch or just one of the others, the spring is not always going to be on the side. It could be under here, and the mechanism could be you'd have to take this bottom part off and take a look at it. But this is for a KitchenAid. So if you like what you saw, you found it helpful, like and subscribe, and feel free to comment. See you next time.